In this video, I'll be showing you how to always show or hide bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you have. So let's say I have Google Chrome open right now. Let's say I don't want to see my bookmarks bar. What I can do is press together Control, Shift, and B. As you can see, my bookmarks bar is now completely gone. But I can also, if that doesn't work for you for some reason, or you're, getting confused by it, you can also use the contextual menu. So once you have Google Chrome open, click the three dots on the top right, and then hover your cursor over bookmarks and lists, like so. And then what you're going to see is hide bookmarks bar. So what you're going to do is go ahead and press that, and then your bookmarks bar is then going to be hidden, like so. And then of course I can go to the same place and then go ahead and bring them back. Now, it's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.